Yeah, yeah. My turn.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I knew it because my mother
You beautiful. You beautiful, sis. Wow.
that one.
Wow. Gede banget. Wow.
You're bad. You're getting
Ah.
malnourished na.
Ah.
You're always masturbating in here. You're so malnourished na. I will get banned if we show that. Mr. Krabs. How old are you? How old are you? Solomon, how old are you?
No English, no English.
Oh, 49. Turning 50 years old. You have children? Happy birthday. Oh, wow. How many wives do you have? How many wives? What? One wife, no. Oh, where's your wife? Why are you here? No need to start. You want girl? Oh, so what are you doing in here? Why you ask me that you imagining me? Don't do that, huh? Fuck your wife, okay? Don't imagine me. Fuck your wife. Tangina, naantok na ako. Gago, nawala antok ko. Nawala to yung antok ko sa'yo, Solomon. You're so loading. No, yeah, Gojo, I'm so loading because my brain is sleeping right now. Yeah. But my body is awake. Yeah. My brain is so bad. Yeah, I knew it. Where's your wife? Can I see your wife? Can I can I see your wife? But you told me that your wife is sleeping right now, right? Oh, where? Where is her? Can I see her? Sinungaling, sinungaling, sinungaling. Sinungaling ka. You're lying. You're lying to me. You're looking, you have a wife, but you're looking girlfriend. Oh. Yeah, because I'm happy that I saw you in here. I'm so happy I meet you. Huh? Auntie. Auntie, ano ako si Charot? Where are you from? Where are you from? Ewan ko, oh, I can understand him. What crunchy? What do you mean crunchy? I'm loud and nice to hear. Nice, nice, tayo. Tapos my voice is so nice. Like that. Only? Okay. All? Is that all?
Tangina mo kain dong pinaglololoko mo kami, kilala kita.
Totoo ba, Bal? Kilala
Hindi
mo
ko
yan?
kilala yan. Hindi putang ina kilala ko ba yan? Natatawa nga ako eh. Hindi, mabait yan si Solomon. Sige lang Bal, kaya mo yan Bal, loading Bal ha. Your brain is loading ha.
Inaantok na talaga ako. Tapos pagising lang ako sa mukha nito, ni Solomon. Working hot, Solomon. Why are you endangered?
These loafers are slip resistant. I love the style. I love the design.
Because?
It's so comfortable. A lot of
What? I can't understand you. Can you speak loudly? My bands. Small but terrible. Thank you, Peter. Uh, how many kids do you have? Sorry. Where are you from nga? Where are you from? Are you kidding me? Are you thank you po sa kalapil, guys. Bamboo organ. Do you know